I'm Robert, I'm a guide with London Walks, and this is BRUNEL'S London. It's a boat trip, it's a river walk, and it's a journey into the centre of London and its heart. This is the tunnel that changed shape of cities all over the world, and the ship, the Great Eastern, is the ship that changed everything. Brunel is our most famous engineer in England. He's a little man with a big hat, with a big cigar, with big ideas, and a famous photograph of him was taken in front of the chains from which he launched the ship that crossed the Atlantic and laid the cable that joined us up. He built railways, steamships, steam locomotives, bridges, tunnels and dock systems. The tunnel here in Rotherhithe is the oldest tunnel in the oldest subway system in the world. So this is the beginning of the world city. Your favourite world city is impossible without Brunel. And just down the river is the launch ramp of his last great ship, the Great Eastern, the first luxury cruise liner. Biggest ship in the world for half a century. 6 times bigger than anything else afloat, and carrying more than 10 times as many passengers. Every day of the year we meet at Embankment Tube Station, just as all London walks meet at a tube station, and we catch a boat along the river, under 3 Brunel bridges, over the tunnel that he built, which is the beginnings of the subway and the world city, to the launch ramps of his last great ship on the Isle of Dogs. We take a train from Island Gardens to Shadwell, and then another train through the oldest tunnel in the oldest subway system in the world, and that's Brunel's tunnel, to Rotherhithe, this pretty little village. And we finish at the MAYFLOWER, which is a lovely pub by the jetty where the Pilgrim Fathers sailed from for Massachusetts in 1620, the oldest pub on the River Thames.
I'm really interested in history. I've spent the last 3 months in London and walked past buildings that I don't really know what the background is in them, and this was like a really great experience to learn more about the history of London and one of their most famous architects and engineers. It was dazzling. It was so interesting.
This is why London walks.